Welcome to my channel, you guys, where every dish is nutrition rich. Today we are making tacos. They will be full of protein, calcium and iron. Let's start. In a bowl, take some finely chopped spinach. You could take puree as well. To that, I'm adding salt to taste, some oil for softness and sesame seeds for calcium. Yes, sesame seeds have calcium and iron both. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, and now I'm starting to knead it all into a dough. Do adjust water as required and make it into a soft pliable dough and let it rest for some time. While the dough is resting, let's make our stuffing. So here I have taken some boiled chickpeas. I have grinded the chickpeas coarsely because my 3-year-old doesn't like the plasticky skin texture on the chickpeas. You could also smash it with a fork. In a pan, you could heat up some oil or ghee, add hing or asafetida, some turmeric, and if you are eating spicy food, add 1 teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala and some green chilies as well. Add our crushed chickpea mixture and some water so the mixture doesn't burn. You could add some more oil, but I always use oil in moderation because it's not the best for our bodies. Mix. And now onto our main calcium component, add grated paneer. Mix and cook everything till dry. This will take about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Add some salt to taste, and when the mixture is cooked properly, add some chopped coriander leaves for taste. Now on to making our tortillas or rotis. Our spinach dough is nice and soft by now. Let's start rolling it. You can make as big or as small as you want. It will depend on the size of taco your child will happily eat. Half cook on both the sides on the tawa, not fully. For kids' tiffin, you could make the stuffing and tortillas at night. So in the morning, you just have to assemble. Here I have cooked it half on both the sides, not fully. And now onto the assembly. I'm making 2 tacos right now. Here they are. And spread the mixture evenly on one side. Spread. Heat up some oil in the tawa and place a taco face down. You could place as many as your tawa could hold. I'm placing 2 right now. Apply some oil because we want to have crispy tacos, and flip. Here you could add some chopped capsicum and boiled sweet corn along with our cheese. My child is only 3, so that would be too much for him. Now fold it and cook on both the sides. It will be tricky the first time you do it. There you go, I folded it. Flip and cook the other side. So this is how it looks, you guys. I've served it with some vitamin C fruit for iron absorption. Nutrition breakdown and full recipe will be in the description box below. For more balanced meal ideas, do visit my channel, Little Plates Big Growth. Bye.